what's up and happy Diwali. Yup, I got all ready and although we are not like celebrating it technically, but I still got done with my live stream. So here's what my makeup looks like. Wait a sec, let me just keep this safely. Okay. So there you go. Here's what my makeup looks like. I did like gold eyelids after I applied gold eyeshadow after so long. I don't even remember the last time I actually did this. Pictures ke liye Instagram dekh lena guys. Don't miss out on that. A lot of you must be wondering why we can't celebrate Diwali. Well, my dad's uncle passed away and it's been like a week or so. So we really can't do anything. But it's okay guys. In the end, like, it's all about being with the family, and that's what I am doing right now. Not exactly right now, but yeah, kind of, you get the point. Right? So anyway, I have two Pia packages, I guess. Wait, this one is small, this one is huge. Excited to open this. And then I also have some Amazon packages, so let's go ahead and open everything. We have something from Cheryl's. Okay guys, such a pretty box, right? Love it. So let's go ahead and open this and see what's inside. I'm gonna use this box for sure later on. So we have the letter. Oh, it smells so good right now. We have the Oxyblast facial kit. I absolutely fell in love with this. I did a video with them as well, but I mean, I have tried out a couple of different self like DIY facial kit, like you can do it yourself. So this one is one of my favorite, like personal favorite. You should definitely watch the video that I made with them and then try it out. Also, I'm not paid to say this, it's genuinely good, so check it out. And then we have their Radiance lotion. I already have a box of this, so this is my second one and I haven't yet started using the first one, so I think I need to start. And that's basically it from this. Thank you so much, Cheryl's, for sending in, and happy Diwali. And this was much needed, like I'm gonna use this soon. Let's go ahead and open this huge box now. I don't know who's the sender of this. Oh my god. You guys! Okay guys, the reason why I'm this excited is because मेरे को makeup and all तो आते रहते हैं, but खाना बहुत कम आता है, and I really appreciate that. Thank you so much, Kurkure. I had no clue about this coming in. Kurkure collaborated with Masaba. When? I'm sorry, I wasn't aware of that. But oh my god. And we also have this nice looking tray here. Wow. Thank you so much, Kurkure. Next, I just ordered a lot of things from Amazon again because sale season. And there are two books here. And they were on discount. So they are by Preeti Shenoy. One is Wake Up, Life is Calling. And the other one is Love a Little Stronger. Next, we have the Pear's body wash. This is the coconut one and I have never tried this one out before. I'm gonna try this out and let you guys know on Instagram. Then I have walnuts. Also, are you guys enjoying my English vlogs now? Like English content? Because literally I'm talking in Hindi and English both now. Here's what I was waiting for. So first we have a pack of 3. Yeah, छोटा आ गया ये तो शायद 200 ml. Okay. So this is Ray Naturals. Like this was a combo. I got onion oil, then coconut oil and castor oil all together in a combo. And this was under 500 something for sure. The next thing I got is this. Wait, let me just open this. If it's a hair scalp massager. So this is what it looks like. Let me just open this. The box is way too tight. This is what it looks like. Nice pink color. And then this, it has like silicone like what do you say this? Pointy things. I am obviously gonna use this for dry massage because I don't think it will be good for Oh my god. This is heaven. Oh my god, I don't wish to do it right now, but I'm gonna do it tonight for sure. So I just wanted to try out and see if this helps with my like flaky scalp, because I do have that, and winter may it just gets worse because of dry scalp. So got that. If it obviously affects me, I'll let you guys know again. सब आपको पता चल जाएगा guys. कहीं ना कहीं से तो पता चल ही जाएगा. And shit. Okay, so lastly I got glasses, like clear glasses. And they were on discount again. So it's good for the videos, because अगर मैं cold coffee बनाना चाहूँगी, जो होगा ये vlog में soon, so देखते रहेगी कब हो रहा है वो. And yeah, I liked it. Anyway, see you guys. I hope you guys had an amazing and safe Diwali. Boy. कुछ मिठाई नहीं खाई है मैंने. आइसक्रीम खा लेती हूँ अभी जाके. Good morning, you guys. I'm like still half asleep. मेरे को नींद ही नहीं आई थी. I really need to start waking up early in the morning and sleeping early. Anyway, so I am gonna make coffee right now to just kind of wake me up and all. And I've got a lot of requests from my Instagram followers to share the recipe on my vlog. So here I am sharing the recipe of a caramel macchiato, and yeah, it's really simple, and I believe anyone can make it if you have the right ingredients at your place. It's gonna be fun, and I'm super excited. So let's go. Also, just I really need the energy, so. बनाते हैं पीते हैं, and then I can sit and talk आराम से. Okay guys, so first I have some hot water here. Like you can see, it's very less. Now we'll go ahead and add in the coffee first. Now this is just how I make it. May not be the right way to make it, but the taste comes out to be the same. So never mind, I'm just gonna add in some coffee in this. So coffee is done. Now we'll go ahead and add in the sugar. I need a lot of sugar. So I'll add in more. And now basically you have to froth milk, but my milk frother doesn't froth milk properly. So I instead froth coffee. So just go ahead and like use this, and yeah, basically mix it till it's like frothy, and the color will also change. Also, इससे भी कम पानी लेना चाहिए to be honest, but it wouldn't have been visible if I did it with less coffee than this. So that's why I took this. Hopefully it's okay. Okay guys, after almost 5 minutes, actually even less than that, coffee तो हो गई है ready. अब हम अपना glass ready कर लेते हैं. I kept the glass inside the fridge for like approx 15 minutes, so it's like ice cold now, and we'll just use the Hershey's syrup to like decorate it. I normally don't do this, but just for the sake of this video, I'm trying it. So if it doesn't happen, ignore. Also, even if not in a decorative way, you will still have to add in the syrup. So make sure you have that. Then we'll just go ahead and add in ice. As many as you want. I add in like 5, 6. Or like till the glass is like half full. That's all. Yeah, probably not a good idea, I know, right? Then I'll just go ahead and add in the milk. Now if you are frothing milk, then add in the coffee first and then the milk. And then wait, if you are frothing milk, then add in the coffee first and then milk. And if you are frothing coffee, then add in milk first and then coffee. Like, hope you get the idea, so that the froth is like on the top. So I'll just add in like half the glass. Okay, that should be enough for me. Then I'll go ahead and add in, like, this is the main thing ever, so just maybe screenshot it. I'll put the link in the description box also, don't mind, just ek nail paint there. So this is caramel essence, and I got it from Amazon for 150 rupees. I'll put the link in the description box below. So I'm just gonna add in like few drops of this inside this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I added like five-ish drops to be approx. And now lastly I'll add in the coffee. So let's go. Photo session is done. Now I can finally mix this. So the froth is still there even after mixing, just in case if you're wondering. I have coffee. No, never mind. So yeah. Cheers. I'm gonna have this now. Okay, taste test कर लेती हूँ, आपको expression बता देती हूँ अपने. Like it matters. Okay, थोड़ा कैरामल सिरप कम डालना मेरे से बट स्टिल द टेस्ट इज बैंग ऑन एंड मैंने सिर्फ डेकोरेशन के लिए डाला था तो थोड़ा ज़्यादा हो गया आई गेस बट टू बी ऑनेस्ट it's way too good. And if you enjoy caramels things, then you might just probably enjoy this as well. So, yeah, cheers. Also, if you try to make this at home, then probably share the pictures with me as well. And let me know if you liked it or not. Mm-hmm. So I just got done working out, and I used to never. I don't think I've ever uploaded this on blog, like me working out, or maybe I have, but I haven't like made it prominent. Thoda. So I used to get a lot of questions on my Instagram about what workout I follow and all that. To be honest, I'm a complete beginner in this. I've been working out since one and a half month or so, I guess, and I work out like thrice a week, maybe four times if I feel like. And last week I had my period, so I don't work out during my periods. So I work out after 1 week. That's why I'm like super tired right now. But yeah, I do follow Roberta's Gym. This is their channel, and they have some amazing, easy to do exercises. So if you're someone who's a beginner, you should follow this probably. I started off with like 15 minutes exercises every day, and then I like stretched on to like 30 minutes one. So yeah, start small and then go ahead with the advanced workouts. So the reason why I love Roberta's Gym is because it has a lot of rest in between exercises. So if you're a beginner like me, you probably love that. But once you get used to all that easy workouts, you'll be tired of the rest. So then you'll probably have to switch to some other advanced workout creator. This is no is sponsored or something, but I genuinely follow them. So that's why I'm doing it. And also need to get some workout gears and all now. Like at least workout wear. Like I just wear this nice fitted. Like this is workout ke liye, but my tops are not workout friendly. And I just have like one sports bra which I wear. So need to get more. I love my body the way it is. Not trying to change anything. Just trying to get a little fitter because stamina chahiye. So yeah, that's one major reason why I work out. And yeah, that is everything about my workout routine. Oh god, I never speak a lot after working out, so this is the first time. Never mind. So guys, I'm gonna end the vlog here itself. I'm so sorry it didn't come out on Monday. I had some work to do in the afternoon, so I had to go there. And yeah, then I'm just super sleepy now. I don't know why. Yeah, I need to sleep. I think I just need a break, and I don't know. Let's plan something in December maybe. But हाँ मैंने एक बहुत exciting video shoot की है yesterday. It got ready. Hopefully, if I get the approval, it will be live this week. If not, then let's see. But बहुत ही funny video है वो और okay, I'm not gonna talk about this a lot. So wait for it. I am super excited. Like, yeah. Anyway, so that was it. Don't forget to work hard, be kind. Also, हाँ मेरे को ये update करना था आप लोगों को. Pearls वाला जो मैंने coconut water वाला body wash लिया था, काफी अच्छा है. Give it a try. The link will be in the description box below. उसका fragrance is काफी mild but nice. That is how I like it. I don't like strong fragrance वाले because achoo, never mind. So yeah, that's it. Don't forget to work hard, be kind, stay positive. Also, don't forget to give this video a big fat thumbs up. Don't forget to keep smiling. Yeah, and I'll see you guys in my next video now. Bye.